Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is August the 12th and the chart of the day for today is pound yen 60 minutes time frame here. Alright, so we are currently in an impulsive structure. As you can see, we ended with 4 in the minor degree at 195 and then we have started to rally higher again. So we are now within with 5 and this is the rally that started from the April 2025 low. The same low you see across the market, whether you're looking at the indices, USD or the yen, and they all either top or bottom in the April 2025 low. Okay, so currently within with 5, and if you look at this, here is the impulsive structure. This is what it looks like. 5 waves up with 1, with 3, with 5 subdivides into another 5 waves in the lesser degree. As you know, 5 waves is a motive sequence, is direction of the trend, and this is wave 4, which is now in this particular case it just happens to be in the same degree, which is great. So you can clearly see how it plays out, similar to this template here. This wave 4 ended here, right? It is in the form of either zigzag or a flat in terms of the ABC pullback here, and now we are within wave 5. Now within wave 5, specifically we are still within wave 1 of 5 here. Within wave 1 itself in the black subdivides into another 5 waves, right? This is a fractal theory where every wave subdivides into smaller waves, right? So within this wave 5 in the minute degree in the black color here, it subdivides into another 5 waves just in the blue, right? So this blue 1, blue 2, blue 3, blue 4 will finish blue 5, and when it finishes blue 5, that will end with 1 in black of 5. So you can see we might still see a bit more upside before we finish 5, and then when we finish the 5, we will then finish this entire rally, the bigger rally, which started from April 2025 low, and then we will then get the biggest pullback since April 2025 low. Okay, so that's basically where we are now. What will be some other alternate? So here is the daily time frame, just to let you know. This is the 3 and the 4, right, which is kind of the same as this one. 3 and 4, and this 1 and 2 here is this 1 and 2, and this is the April 2025 low that I'm talking about. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, now finishing with 5. Now there are a couple of possible different alternates. You can see we are close to breaking above the peak. I think we should be able to break. I think we are very close to break it. A couple of different possibilities here is one possibility is that instead of ending with 1 of 5, right, I can upgrade this degree here. This 1 blue to blue can be 1 black to black, 3 black, 4 black, and then if that's the case, then instead of ending only 1 of 5 like this, instead of ending only 1 of 5, this one, then we can be ending the entire wave 5, right? I think that's also very possible. We can be just ending with 5 directly, and then when that happens, we finish this cycle, and then we'll see the biggest pullback since April 2025. So we will get at least a bigger risk pullback like this to correct this entire rally, right? So that's basically another possibility. But for now, in the meantime, in the shorter cycle, as long as we stay above 195, we should be able to see more upside, and eventually we should break above that previous peak here, which is this 199.8 here. Okay, so that's where we are. And as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. It's only 99 cents if you're a new member. I'll provide the link in the description of the video. And also, if you like to see forecasts like this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all the notifications so you get all our updates. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.